Hello YouTube, today I have the Angry Birds, the full Angry Birds set of the big characters, like these ones, so I'm going to be showing them. So first up is red. I hope they're going to be in one. So there's this little switch you have to flip on, then you pull it back, then you press down on his feathers, watch his eyebrows. So his eyebrows go down and he lights up red, and it looks better on my tablet. So this one can just be like, "What are you doing? Blah 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 blah." I wish they added more. Like, it'd be cool if they added Bubbles, which he wasn't really in it that much. But I wish they added him. I wish. I think the next one is Chuck, so you can move his arms all around. Oh, and something with red. His feet can go all around. But I keep it how it was. Okay. Oh, and if you think I'm a good YouTuber, give this video a thumbs up. So you can spin Chuck's tail all around. And his hair. But don't make it like that. And then you can move his arms all around. So you can make him look like he's running, which I really like. So pull him back. So he goes slow, then he goes fast, and spin him to come out again. Yeah, he just crashed into my slime. Poor slime banged into Smurfs. Now, one more go with this. Start it here. Whoa! Well, I think something just fell. I think it's not my fault that it's dark. It's just that my room doesn't have that much lights. Okay, to the next one. But how'd this guy get here? Which this one was ordered. This is Bomb. The other ones I got from the actual McDonald's, and this one was ordered. So here's Bomb. Like Bomb in the movie. He has some feathers. Can't really see them. So if you push down on this or his body or just on his feet, you can see that. Too closer. You can see that his wings go up. He can do a dance called the Bamba. Do the Bamba. And he can also do a flap. Also fly, and he can also launch him. Yeah. Those are really cool toys. Da 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 da. See if we can get them trash. You saw nothing. So pretty cool. Wait a second, I didn't show you the pig. I was gonna end the video without showing you the pig. No, I look at this pig. I got it today. So here is pig. It's a cowboy pig. I'm gonna go out. Did I just pick my mosquito? No, I didn't. So you see that there's a bunch on the back. Push that and look at the wheel. The lasso. Oh. Okay. It's cool, right? Cool. Some people who are watching this might be watching this that are people that are in my school. Yeah. So yeah, we have a greetings from someone from a different planet called the Villager planet. Hello, my name is Dr. Tragoras. I help. Oh, say you're all. I'm gonna cry.